What are you guys doing? By the way, guys, like, share, subscribe if you will. Back here. Diesel. Diesel. Come on, we're going across. You guys got to go here. Come here. Come here. Go into the next field. Come here. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Are these tall weeds? Those are. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Ouch. God dang it. Why don't you just take me out, man? All right, that was close. Dozer, come on. Where you at, bud? I see you over there. What are you doing? I see that tail wagging anyway. There you are. What are you doing? Is it a jungle out here, guys? Come on, let's go back home. Come on back home. You gonna go get Mom? Hold up. Take it nice and easy. Don't leave Dad out here. Diesel, come here. Diesel. These guys are a little crazy today. Been about a day or two since they've had them out here, so hopefully you guys enjoy. Come here. Dozer, Diesel. Yeah, they see Mom up on the hill, so they're like, ooh, we're gonna get her. But anyway, we will see you guys on the next one. Have a great day. Enjoy the day. Get out and have some fun. Bye-bye.